Pew, pew, Barney McGrew, Cuthbert, Dibble, Grub.
Hello everybody, time for an update. There's no build video again, as I've completely loused up yet again. I've got 3 projects on the go and they've all stalled at one point or another due to bits missing or me lousing up. Not overly worried about that though at the moment. Just means I'm going to have 3 videos come out probably in short succession. I have had some stickers though, so I thought I'd better get an update on the go. You may have seen my Instagram, have done some Halloween inspired characters based on the snowmen that I saw on Alan Scannell's channel. I had quite a good response to that. A lot of people have mentioned them, not just on Instagram, but you know, everyday life sort of thing. As I mentioned, these are based on, you know, inspired by something that Alan Scannell had done, and I got my sticker from him this week, so I'm going to pop him up on the board. Thank you, Alan. He sent me a letter as well. Really do appreciate any help you can give me with a lathe at any point, mate, and I will look you up if I do get stuck. I'm muddling through at the moment. I'm going to put a bit of footage on the end of this video because my lad's had a go on it this week as well, and he seemed to really enjoy himself. It is, as they say, highly addictive. And if you do manage to make it to Maker Central, me and my lad are hoping to go as well, so let me know, and yeah, we will get hooked up like you say. Nice one. Cheers, mate. Really appreciate that. If you're an aspiring woodturner, Alan's channel is very inspiring. There's lots of stuff on there. This week, for example, I haven't tried any pen turning yet, but I'll be brutally honest, he's done a turn this week that's making me think about buying a pen turning jig, etc. He calls it the Damascus pen. Head over to his channel and also head over to his Instagram because it is part of his subscriber giveaway. Yeah, head over, get subscribed, head over to Instagram, get subscribed. There is a question to answer, but yeah, get it answered and get in because that pen looks absolutely fantastic. Alan, great job, mate. I've also had one from Mr. Udizzy. Udizzy 1969. I've popped one up on the board already because I am notoriously bad at getting these stickers off here. He really does love his bikes, and he loves anything sort of mechanical. He loves the fire departments, etc., and has a lot of respect for the heroes in the fire department, as do we all though. But yeah, he's got himself a little museum that he's building up slowly but surely. Nip over and have a look. I will post links on the end of this video. And my third sticker is from Bazaar. I do believe I've pronounced it properly, but just in case, I have already stuck that one up as well. Bazaar again, quite an eclectic channel, different bits and pieces. He's currently working on a van that he's fitting out with all sorts of different things, batteries and lights, etc. Not entirely sure what the van's for because I've only just started watching his channel not long ago. But yeah, nip over and have a look. There's lots of other different bits and pieces on there from what I can see. I have noticed he's had a problem on his last video with some you know, hand radio type things that he's been doing. Yeah, so pop down into the description below. We'll post the links for these 3 channels. Go and show the guys some love, and let's get on with the update. Like I said, I've got 3 projects on the go at the moment. One which includes a couple of these. Don't ask, you'll find out in future instalments. One which included a trip to IKEA. And some god awful car brake pipe. And one which has already been shown in a previous video if anyone has seen the flower pot. I've already had a couple of phishing comments trying to find out about that one. All I can say is it's something that's inspired from an idea that my daughter has seen stroke come up with. I also have a practice project with some HDPE at the moment. If anybody has any information regarding HDPE usage, moulding, etc., feel free to drop us a line in the comments, because I have struggled with it a little bit, but I have also had quite a bit of fun with it as well. It turns beautifully and it finishes beautifully when it's been turned. It is something I'm going to continue with until I get it right. I've had lots of fun with it. I've also turned some sapele on the lathe, which seems to be absolutely fantastic. I've really enjoyed turning that, and I had a lot of fun finishing the actual turning of that off, but the project itself is the one that has stalled again due to me lousing up. I forgot to order something and now I'm waiting for that one, but it is getting there slowly but surely.